Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Assembly tintin ni tietia and say John Dramani Mahama ne nsɛm a wɔde ekodan court Supreme Court enim no ya boegu ni reliefs ana wɔpɛ no we nya ba akokra ya bɔ ne nsɛm ni na egu na it was also another unanimous decision from the judges wɔn nyinaa wɔn adwen ɛkɔ benkro na wɔn ɛbɔ asɛm ne gu yɛ. For me personally, you see, I don't know, MCCC are ruling abano. We can speak on this matter like we have to. MC Judicial Service eba abonten beka se media mayen kasa about when Chief Justice ba abonten beka se dabi. Yebetumi akasa, yebetumi criticize you omo, just that we shouldn't insult them. It was say if we want to criticize them, we can criticize them as violently as we want. Yebetumi akasa tia wo mo adwuma no as violently as you want, but don't insult them. That is what the Chief Justice has said. And you know, I feel say Sisiano, a lot of people can now bring criticism. Your number no at the screen I say, you can now bring your criticism, just that please do not insult, because that is what is coming through right now. Now, you see, for me personally, I can now speak on this particular matter without being cited for contempt. You see, everyone in this country knew as someone na eko embra ya sha say oh ye bo NDC for applications egu embra ya ka say Jimensa ye man be testify and am ka say well baby asem na do there we there of course rubber form there is no way NDC is going to win. In fact, everyone knew, but people just had the benefit of the doubt. Say, oh, yenshe ebiana, oh, yenshe ebiana. You see, people had that benefit of the doubt. But everyone in their heart of hearts knew, said there is no way, as our election petition, NDC be winning. If you saw how the judges were deciding on all of these issues, unanimous. All the applications about, including the final verdict about, no one judge in po eka say, oh, me dear. We no nankame yen say, we no nankame yen say, and you see all these things yen same bia answer na court in sem nebe kono. Obi to say Kelvin Taylor ekan. What bo the name of the judges on better na sem ne so. What can the ebesi? What my yet ase say ebedu baby no Jimen Sakra no ye man be testify, and we all thought it was a joke. Now every single thing he said about this particular thing is like every single thing he said no, I said it has come to pass. And so someone like that, even if it is not true, said the judges conspired in this particular ruling, even if it is not true. It sounds say when the kind akan same way na abba a play out to say moving into no. You can't say oh maybe the work no na we the intro. I hope you guys are understanding my points. Anyway, the judges in their own wisdom send ya medin kan ruling aba we share social media a lot of things are trending. One, John Mahama petition atunsium trendy. It's very interesting. Let me just read the trends and then we go into the ruling. We'll go into the ruling proper because what are judges no and a judge Supreme Court judge and a Chief Justice will read the ruling no for over 2 hours. Ne training ya meet ruling after an hour na me krameda. Ansa na me sanso eko dware because na meet ruling no na menikum na nsemo mo keka nia no say na metie bi ase bi nso na mentie ase nti na menikum nti I was even falling asleep and I me call wash it down and then it is film ni so am sanso better na ase say metie ruling no. So over 2 hours now say the Chief Justice had been reading the ruling and then now ruling no aba nti no NDC for the first one, election petition, trends na trendy what Twitter no. First one, hashtag election petition. Second one, judgment day. Third one, Chief Justice. Fourth one, Supreme Court. Fifth, JM petition atonsium. So a lot of things. Nana remains president. Nini na Asiedun Ketia, Akotoampao, Wamunina, Mahama, General Mosquito, first respondents, petitioner. All these are things that are trending. In fact, even Atuguba, NDC time. No, Supreme Court na petition not na suno. One also needing air trending. But you see, the whole thing is very interesting. Judges no eka say asɛm a na Mahama wɔde aba court a wɔtre sɛ you see Jean Mensa oye mistake ni say na ne result a wɔde buy no say ni Supreme Court say it is just an error and Jean Mensa make here. It is just an error, and so Mahama shouldn't expect Supreme Court may say just because the chairperson of the Electoral Commission made an error in the declaration of the results in Ghana for Asabi rightfully wo mo ato aba ema Akufo-Addo no yenka say yes say ni na ne yenkoto aba no biom dabi oye ne sa the court is not even fair no mo kan say sa assemwe NDC for the court bia enya ade a assemwe kan no betumi ewini am say ni na kan ho but point bia am say Chief Justice ne kan ya for me personally I saw say no it wasn't really needed and it wasn't really necessary and they say okay say wo share witnesses na NDC for Edeba na Asiedun Ketia who was the first witness now the second and third witnesses ni there omompo there wama mbaka na nkenye second and third witnesses no wamo ba ya wamo beka stories say energy mensa pami omo and I say fancy stories be and omo ba omo kra wamo amba na nkenye like omo ambaka nkeye what you say Oman background ke and I say hey Charlie well that statement there it was some way but then it's the Supreme Court and it's the Chief Justice speaking that's their ruling on the matter. What can you do? What can you say? You can't say anything, you can't do anything, you just have to accept it as it is. What you say into no the other no other things in so I won't say I said something here na sa dia na me kan wa ha say no. You see, in some Dawson, why was say Chief Justice at Tenase for over 2 hours a read there? Yen to me Metenas I has say yes, I bet in some day a Dawson. Now, some reason any other baby I mean who say Ghana for we are interested in the ruling no then they see any no and then I made the bremo. Now the other one our more kind of so once the NDC Sanso and some of Sanso at the coin no allegations of vote pardon. Say baby I yetu aba Emma Mahama no hono yet say Mahama vote so near the account Akufo-Addo hon. Now, you see, before court crab first assembly, I said something on this channel. As someone me say, so particular thing na NDC for Ediakono. Now, say indeed there is vote pardon. What the Supreme Court will do, they say, one more say vote pardon no ebe affected the final results and if it will not affect the final results, then there is no need to grant that relief. That was the same thing the Chief Justice said. Was we share vote pardon allegations our mother buyer. If you make a percentage, you strike a percentage, if you strike a percentage of it, we want to say it is very, very, very insignificant. Dear now Wamoka say baby, ye and ye dema Akufo-Addo baby at Mahama vote today. Was we share evidence and not at that court anymore. Evidence a better court in of vote pardon na osha Charlie enya dia ebe affect final results in the cra you can't say because of that no general elections the whole election yentungu no you can't say that and almost also can say ani osha nanka NDC for one more no like they should have brought their own figures nanka yetumi hu say okay figure we ni ye dey analysis no etia NDC for form of figures amba. And I also spoke on that particular thing on this channel. Says I did not NDC for me personally. And I'll say this, a lot of people will not agree with me. But personally, as you don't get your kind of more, they don't know their figures or more figures in Baname. Me am better now has no NDC as a court in the same way they are not serious about it. That's what I said. A lot of NDC people came to attack me. But today the court is holding that particular matter up. Say back quarter for figures, bruh. And NDC didn't go to court to challenge the electoral processes. Even the Supreme Court said it. Chief Justice Nekai. Oman koso wamo challenge events saying the ebia election no and the yantu ni ye yama we yantu aba yama nkrofobia yantu aba yanyese. They didn't challenge the validity of the elections. It was just with the figures I will declare. Supreme Court also say it was just an error and adjournments are a year. The only problem for me personally I had with the Supreme Court in this whole thing, they say as they didn't allow Jean Mensa to testify, no, and then they are personally a year me ya. Because now NDC for the onsem the buy no. Now we are holding NDC for onsem na ye they strike it out say ane and you say Sisiano and some allegations are one two Jean Mensa so second and third witnesses allegations are one two Jean Mensa so say was secure more any nyamano. Nanke was a woman Jean Mensa kasa. Ne wonu say ye ne kreso was secure more na. Wa ma Jean Mensa nkasa na afi wo beka so sa ankrofo ne kromo beka o kasa mo beka ne kra no emfa so bi amba so that implication na wo send there. I don't think say it is fair. So that is the only side I had a problem with. It wasn't, for me personally, I felt it wasn't necessary for the court to speak on the second and the third witness that way. It wasn't necessary at all. It wasn't necessary. Because he didn't allow Jean Mensa to come and speak to say oh, you didn't allow that. Ati ase as nkrofo mienu na nkrofo mienu no ye se munya muntina baby na ba ko epie fi ho na ba ko no epie fi ho ko hu nu bisa ne se I then I will epie fi I say ye mienu na wo se ye ntina baby no ba ko no wapame me na o ka se ba ko no wapame me no de won ko bisa ba ko no se ne krese wo na wapame na na ho ana se nipa ko na ya pame ne no ka ten se master stories na wo mama me ne de me pese metie kuso obisan say eden na waya awapame no adanti na na kresa wopame na wakasa enye ne kra na wehu so okay fancy stories na moye dem moma what you say. So that is the only side I had a problem with. But I mean a lot of people just saw this coming and people are not even surprised. So yes, Mahama was in court today and Mahama will speak on this particular matter. Obviously Wobeka said well he will accept it. There's nothing he can do obey. Because Ghana ne dey adie boy ennam so emantokwa insi dabi there's nothing he can actually do. So finally ensem no ewie just that all these things are AC no me bomb pie say it doesn't set as precedence. It just doesn't. That's my prayer. It's a muncha mo your comment box ni mo me da say